Hi, well, it's Wednesday, so that means it's Write Off Wednesday. And what I'm doing is giving you some basically free advice on how to really maintain your write offs. One of the most critical things that, as a business owner, that people don't do a good job of documenting is their business miles, okay? And this thing here, the remote control of your life, okay, which you use to do everything, also has a bunch of options for apps. One of the app that I use personally and I find really useful is called MileIQ. Okay, MileIQ is an app you can download on your phone. It's basically free. If you want to do more than 20 drives a month, which you probably will, I mean, it's going to cost you $5.99 a month to do. Okay, but it tracks whether this app is on or off everywhere you go, and it's as simple as if this drive is business, you swipe right, and if it's personal, you swipe left. Okay. So this, for example, is another. I went to see a client today. This one, for example, is that was a personal trip to Modesto. So what this does is, as you're doing it, um, it's going to do a monthly summary for you and an annual summary of all the miles you drive. And I have some clients that started to use this, and it's really effective. It's a great tool to add up all your miles, okay? And it is also basically tracking these miles whether or not the app is on or off. It uses a GPS on your phone, and it's just an awesome tool. And it's one way to make sure you have the documentation necessary to survive an IRS audit for miles, okay? One of the problems and the whole game the IRS runs on business owners, if you have the documentation, you can write off the expense. If you don't, they deny your expense. So MileIQ, I would use it, and you're going to save way more than the $5.99 a month that it costs to use the app. So that's your Write Off Wednesday tip. Write off your miles.